Hi, my name is Raven Shamballa, and I'm a master energy healer and spiritual counselor. And I've just put out 4 books, and one of them is called The Three Pendulum Languages. And so I'm starting to get questions now from clients. And one of the basic questions I've been getting is, what are the three pendulum languages? And I didn't know that the pendulum could have 3 languages. So in the book, The Three Pendulum Languages, I discussed that there are 3 languages. One is how to contact your angelic team and how to find information out about your specific personal team. The other one is pendulum on the hand, which is a more sophisticated pendulum language than yes, no, or maybe. And then the last language is called charts and maps, and it talks about, it's just really brief on how to cast a pendulum onto a chart or diagram and how to start to use different tools to find out information that you seek, and especially finding out information from your angelic team. So a little bit more on the background of the 3 pendulum languages. I have been interested in channeling, psychic work, energy healing, yoga practice my entire life. I've been practicing yoga my entire life. And it's kind of grown and developed over the years as I've done the study. And when I started working with clients, I started using the pendulum pretty exclusively daily to communicate with my angelic team to kind of understand what was happening in session. And it was a really unique experience for me because as a therapist, I get to listen to the client's issue. And of course, as a therapist, I'm listening to heavier issues or trauma. And then as an energy healer, I would use the pendulum to measure the chakras and kind of diagnose about the chakras. And then I would go back to my angelic team and I would be using the pendulum as a tool to find out more information about the chakras or how to lead the energy healing. And that developed into a language. So as I was working with them a lot, the language developed from yes, no, maybe to other movements, and I came to understand what those movements mean. And I also understand that through using the additional signals of the language, that the conversation with the angelic team could become more conversational. And the flow, depending on your energy flow, is easy. And then the pendulum kind of, eventually you advance, just like you do with any yoga practice. And I always say the pendulum is training wheels for clairaudience and being able to actually hear, or and sometimes clairsentient, just know exactly what to do next, or you just actually hear messages, or in some cases full conversations, depending on where a person has developed their psychic abilities. So if you're interested in that, I would encourage you to check out the link below, The 3 Pendulum Languages. I will continue to answer questions. And the book is really a how-to book. So it's written kind of question and answer style. And there's all kinds of general points about just white light divination, and especially making sure that if you're moving in the direction of psychic ability, moving in the direction of divination, that you are moving towards white light and you are channeling your angelic teams, because we are working in the invisible realms, and there's all kinds of entities around that it's very easy for us to channel in, or very easy for us to move the pendulum. Examples of that are attachments, negative astral energies, large and small, interference energies. So we need to make sure that we're clear enough of those negative energies and pure in our channel, that when we are receiving communications through divination tools, that we are indeed channeling our white light energy. So I discuss all of this in the book, The 3 Pendulum Languages. I hope you'll check it out. Thank you. My name is Raven Shamballa. Om, peace, amen, namaste.